Welcome back to Trusted Romeo IT Digital Marketing. So today we're gonna talk about pay-per-click advertising. How are we going to improve your website, or how are you going to generate more traffic on your website through pay-per-click advertising? So what is pay-per-click advertising? Pay-per-click advertising is when we are advertising your business using different platforms like there's YouTube, there's Google Ads, there's Gmail ads, there's Google Display ads, there's Facebook, there's Instagram, there's Twitter, there's LinkedIn. There are a lot of platforms that what do we call it? When we run advertising, they charge you per click. Actually, it's called pay per click advertising. Example, when I go to the Google, as you can see here, I'm on Google. So if I can click this what do we call it, advertising, as you can see here, it's a called Google Ads. So if I click here, it's gonna charge this company called Smile Avenue, something like that, smileavenue.co.za. I don't know how much did they invest, 1 rand or 2 rand, depending on the keywords. So this is called Google Ads actually. So if I click here, it's gonna charge them. So even when we are what do we call it, running your marketing, when we run your marketing, so if let's just say you're in a dentist, you're in a, what do we call it, your construction, so when other people are clicking, so which means it's going to be charging you 1 rand per click. So that's how it works actually. So let me show you an example of pay-per-click advertising. Let's go back to Facebook actually. As you can see here, this is Facebook. So it's Hotsuit. Hotsuit is the company. I don't know what do they do, but here they say manage your social media platform is because of, a social media, so they're targeting based on social media. So if I click here, learn more, it's gonna redirect me to their website actually. So which means Facebook is gonna charge this company because of I have clicked actually as in a customer actually. So this is how it works. So I have a full video of what do we call it, Facebook ads. How do we improve your website, how do we drive people using Facebook and also Instagram actually. The video, it's what do we call, it's down below. Just scroll until you find it, watch and learn and see how do we do it, so that when you come to us, really you really understand exactly how does it work. It's really kind of like a hard when we say, hey, we're gonna run your digital marketing, and you don't even understand anything. So my advice is watch the video, understand how does it work. If you still don't understand, there is a chat bar in the corner. You can chat with us, and then we can help you to take your business to another level, or to increase more profit on your business. Okay, so this is one of the example Facebook ads. As you can see here, let's try to scroll. This is my Facebook. You can see whatever, but as you can see here, this is Hero. I don't know, is it a Hero or Shero? It's sponsored, so which means even though if I click learn more, it's gonna charge them again, but I don't want to what we call it, click the advertising. I'm gonna take the what do we call it, the money away actually. So let's go down. I want to see another advertising. Yeah, as you can see here, this is another advertising. It doesn't matter, we can use videos, we can use pictures, but if I click here sign up, it's gonna charge them. So let's go to another next example. So let's go to YouTube ads actually. YouTube ads is when, let's just say I want to go and watch video. You see as here, I wanted to listen uplifting motivation rap beat, but first of all I can see the ad it's playing. See?
With GoDaddy.
And then again, we also have a full video of YouTube ads. How does it work? How do we promote your business using YouTube ads videos? Actually, as you can see here, a client can skip or client can come and shop now. So if I click here, YouTube is going to charge what do we call it, this company called GoDaddy Africa. So this is how it works actually. It's a simple thing. It's just that we can use what do we call it, we can create videos for a business, and then we can advertise here on YouTube, on YouTube, using a keywords. Google has all the keywords of people who usually search about. If I usually search about website, because if I'm a website developer, I do a lot of things. That's why GoDaddy is for designing website. Actually, as you can see, try your website builder for free. So they're targeting based on what I search each and every single day. Actually, yes. So there's a data. So I'm gonna put a video down below, or just go and watch the video down below. It's gonna be called audience. Actually, Google audience. So you can go and watch it. So, and number three is Google display ads. As you can see here, these people that are targeting me based on what I usually search on Google. Usually I go and search about it because of I'm a graphic design. As you can see here, I use Photoshop, I use XD, so that trying to target me because of I'm a graphic design. As you can see here, this is something from photography videos and web, apps, so they want me to buy actually. So this is called Google display ads. And also another website that it can advertise this thing, it's News 24. If you ever go and try to find maybe a car, if you usually search a car, you'll find cars most of the time here on this website. So this is called Google display ads. If I click here, it's gonna charge them actually. It's gonna it's gonna charge what do we call it, who is advertising, Adobe. So this is another one. It's called Google display ads. And then the last one, it's called Gmail ads actually. As you can see here, this one, it goes to the emails of people, depending on the type of the audience that we have target. This is called SEMrush. This one we use, it's a tool that we use to analyze an SEO for your website or for customers' website. So if I can just say visit website, it's gonna charge this company of SEMrush for paying the click. So just like you, even you, if we are advertising for you, it's gonna be charging you actually, or it's gonna be charging us who are advertising for your business actually. Let's just say definitely it's gonna be charging you actually. Yes. So this is called pay per click advertising. I hope you really understand, but please, if you don't understand, make sure that you ask. There's gonna be a button on the corner of the website. Make sure that you ask any question. Be free to ask. These videos we have created for you so that you can understand exactly how does the pay per click advertising works. We also have more videos of search engine optimization, introduction of search engine optimization. Go and learn and see how does it work, so that when you come to us, you really understand exactly how are we going to do things, and then so that we can have a really good relationship. I think for now I can go back to Facebook. So there's gonna be videos of Facebook into details, where it's gonna explain how do we make more traffic through Facebook ads and also Instagram ads, using your, what do we call it, we're using pay per click advertising actually. And also we have a Google ads actually. Google ads, let's try to search let me try to search a construction company in Pretoria. As you can see here, number one here, it's a Google ads, this one. So if I click here, it's gonna charge this company called Kunda. I don't know, it's it's, I don't understand this language actually. And then we have this one called Pro Compare, something like this. Yeah, Pro Compare. So if I click here, it's gonna charge them. So this website, they are usually paying for these keywords to rank high on Google. If I click here, it's gonna charge 2 rand, 3 rand, 4 rand, depending on what is the budget actually. So this is called pay per click advertising. And then this one is gonna be Google My Business. This one actually, it's free. So it's free, just that it need monitoring. But there's gonna be a video for Google display ads. You can check it down there, just scroll below. So again, that wasn't a bonus. So if you really understand and then you want to do business with us, make sure that you contact us, or make sure that you chat with us. Be free to chat with us on WhatsApp or on live chatbot. We will reply you as soon as possible. Or if you really need the pricing, there's a page of pricing actually. Thank you very much.